I just ordered my Eureka Forbes Trendy Nano vacuum cleaner on 23rd, and it's 25th, 2 o'clock 2 p.m. and I just got it delivered. This is Flipkart is just awesome. Let us see what all things are there inside. I'm just going to cut it. Yeah, I am hoping it should clean my flat. That's why I was facing this program. I was alone at home and there is no lady to clean. I'm facing a lot of problem. Oh, good. Big box is quite big, but inside I was hoping that it will occupy all the place of the box, but see, it is not. Well, I have taken this out. Let us see what all specification does it tell. Okay, it will tell you that dust bag full indicator is there, 5-stage air filtration is there, 3 wheels for easy movement, on-board storage, accessories, auto cord winder. Okay, that's good. Okay, so quantities that I'll find inside is a vacuum cleaner, flexible hose pipe with suction control, plastic extension tubes, 2-in-1 multifunctional brush nozzle, floor and carpet brush, and it works on 230 voltage input power. It will consume 1000 watt. It's gonna increase your electricity bill. Suction power, okay, that we are main concern is it's about 19 mm of WCI. I really don't have how to measure it, so I'll cut it and I'll go ahead instead of wasting your guys' time. I know even you guys all are thinking to buy this. Let's hope for the best. That's what for I have bought it. It should work. That is my main aim. Wait a moment. Okay, so there is nothing. This is just user manual, and as far as I know, nobody's gonna read that, so this is a side. Okay, next thing is okay, there is some, okay, this is some hose pipe, okay, and again some hose pipe, 2 pipes are there. Okay, so this is somewhat flexible pipe, and this is carpet and floor cleaner. Good. I came to know that it has some button. Okay, so I'll show you. Here it is. Oh, it's quite hard to press. Let us see this mode. It's up. This is floor cleaner, I guess. Okay, let's go to this one. Okay, this is carpet cleaner. Good. Let's go. Oh, this is our main unit. This is has to be something. Wait, Okay, there is some CDs also there, but it is waste because they will tell some extraordinary things. That's not gonna happen actually. We'll see. I'll go ahead and I'll just unpack it. Meanwhile, I'll put it in pause. Okay, guys, I have unpacked it. Let's see, it's looking so cute, being small. Powerful daily use vacuum cleaner. Model number is LD615, 1000 watts. Manufacturing February 2015. Okay, good. Let's take a overview of the machine. This is on off button, I guess, and this is what they were talking about. Some accessories. This is for corner, we can use sharp corners. Okay, I will go ahead and use it directly. Meanwhile, I will just tell you that this is a cord, and here you go. This, if you press, this is cord winder. Good. It's not gonna down or what? Okay, this is the front case. Here we will have our dirt bag. You just open it, you pull this like, and just open, so it will fill this, and from the other side you can just open it and throw the dust. Well, I'm just gonna use it. I'm not gonna waste any more time. Down, it is written here, down. Okay, so this is gonna down. Great. Okay, let us see how much big cord they have provided with this. I'll just use my phone. Wow, this is the symbol that they will tell don't pull it beyond this, but again they will give some red sign. Yes, here it is. They mean like don't pull beyond this point. Okay, but seems to be it's quite big, I guess. It will cover up your whole room. Just I'm gonna plug it and I'm gonna use it. Till that time, I'll put it to pause. I have just plugged it into power source. Okay, now I'm going to use it. Just give me a while. This is something I have put it. First of all, I'll go ahead and use it for. It's a bit not feeling handy with that. I don't know what is the problem. It bit slanted, correct? Okay, I heard it makes lot of noise. I'm in a flat and I have so many neighbors. Meanwhile, I will switch it on. Just see this button. First of all, I will clean my carpet. Let us see how does it work. Suction is good actually. It is cleaning all the dirt. Just see that some dirt is there. See how my carpet is coming up. Go ahead and clean my sofa as well. Let us see if it is sucking anything. This sound is really irritating. It's making a lot of noise. Just I paused to tell you that I'm gonna clean my sofa with that. Let us see. See, I have thrown out some dust. I have changed it to floor mode. Let us see if it is gonna work. But it's a bit problematic with one hand. And okay, I'll just switch it on again. Okay, I forgot to switch on my button. Okay, I'll just go in now. As you can see, this is fully clean, so I think this is the best. You can go for it. Okay, I have to go for cleaning now. Thank you.